Hello children. Children, today I am going to explain polygon and here we will discuss which figures are polygon and which are not. Let's start. So look here children, what is polygon? A polygon is a flat two-dimensional shape made up of three or more line segments that is fully closed. So what you have to note here children, you have to note 3 points. First point is that polygon is simple. Okay. Second point, it is closed in shape. Okay. And third point, it is made up of line segments. Okay. So these 3 points you all have to note that first one, it is simple, it is closed, and it is made up of three or more line segments. So the word polygon come from two Greek words. Poly means many and gon means mangle, and polygon means many angles. So here you can see pentagon is written, and you all know there are 5 sides in pentagon. So 5 angles. Here hexagon is written, hexagon 6 angles. Okay. And here you can see I have some pictures of polygon. Okay, so these all are polygons, these all are closed in shape, and these all are made up of line segments. Moving to the next page. Now these shapes are not polygons. Why these shapes are not polygons? Children, note that a circle is not a polygon because it is not made up of line segments. Okay. Now here you can see this moon. Please first see this picture. This moon, here you can see curved surface. So this one is not polygon because it is not made up of line segment. This is also not a polygon because it is not made up of line segment. Now look here children, here you can see circle. You all know circle is not polygon. Here you can see semicircle. Children, you might be thinking, ma'am, here one line segment, but here you can see this side, this is a curved side, so again it is not a polygon. Now look here children, this one is an open area. In this picture we have open area here, so it is not a polygon. Okay. Now this one again, it is not a polygon because it has open area. Now here children, 1 2 3 line segments, but this one is not a line segment, it is a curved side, so it is not a polygon. Now you all will be thinking, ma'am, ये तो 100% polygon है, right? So but children, this is also not a polygon. Why? Because here you can see this. Please first see this line segment. This one is one line segment and it is joined with other 4 line segment. One line segment, two line segment, three line segment, 4 line segment. So this line segment I am writing here A. This line segment A, it is joined with other 4 line segments at the end point. So this is not your polygon. Okay. Moving to the next page. Now here a closed figure formed by a finite number of coplanar segments so that each segment intersect exactly at two others but only at their end points. So आपको polygon में हमेशा note करना है कि one line segment, बस this is your one line segment, it should be joined with only two another line segments. Okay, इस line segment को, here this one is your line segment, and so this is not your line segment because you can see this line segment is joined with other 1 2 3 4 line segment. Same like that, here again this one is also joined with 1 2 3 4 line segments at the end point. Now this one is also not a polygon because it has curved side, and here you can see this open side, so again this is not a polygon. Moving to the next page. Now these are the different types of polygon. Children, you all have studied triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, 1 2 3. This is a square, it has 4 sides, 1 2 3 4, and all sides are equal. Here you can see pentagon, this is having 5 sides, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and it is having 5 angles. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. These are the angles. Okay, and here in a square we have 4 angles, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so same like that, here we have some more flat shapes. Please go through this. So now children, here you can see, here we have the figures which are polygon, and here we have the figures which are not polygon. You can see here these figures are your polygon because all these are closed in nature, and all these are closed shape, and these all shapes are made up of line segments. Now here you can see this is oval. Oval is not your polygon. Here you can see curved side, so it is not a polygon. This is solid shape, it is not a polygon. This is also, and here you can see open side, so it is again not a polygon. Now children, one more thing. Now here you can see this star. Here I am drawing one star like you all have seen here. Okay, I am going to draw it over here. Okay, so children, please tell me whether this star here, this star, all sides are made up of line segment, whether this star is polygon or not. This star here, all the sides are made up of line segments, and you have to tell whether this star is polygon or not. Yes, you all are correct. This star is your polygon, but here if I am making the same star in this way, it will not be a polygon. Okay, moving to the next page. Now here we have plane shapes, flat shapes, 2D shapes. Plane shapes can be polygons and or quadrilaterals. Polygons are any shape with 3 or more sides and 3 or more angles. Here you can see we have written, I have written quadrilateral. Quadrilaterals are any shape with only 4 sides and 4 angles. Moving to the next page. Now here we have different types of triangles. Children, this is an equilateral triangle. Its all sides are equal. Okay, this one is isosceles triangle. Its 2 sides are equal. And here we have scalene triangle, and its all sides are unequal. Moving to the next page. Now here given here are some figures. Which figures are polygon? Now here children, you have to tell which figures are polygon. So first take this figure. This one is the first figure. This one is simple. Second point, it is closed in shape. Okay, in shape. Third point, it is made up of line segments. Okay, so this is your polygon. Okay, now same points we will check in this also, and it is also following the 3 points, so it is again your polygon. Now this is in oval shape, it is not a polygon. I have already explained that this star is also not a polygon because this line segment is touching 4 other line segments. This is not a polygon. This is again not a polygon. Curved surface, here again curved shape, here again curved shape, not a polygon, not a polygon, not a polygon, and this one is also not a polygon. Moving to the next page. So here your answer is figure 1 and figure 2 is the polygon. Now moving to the next page. So now children, it's your turn. You have to give the answer. So one by one I will ask the questions. So your first question is this a polygon? I know you all have given the correct answer. Let's check. Yes, this is a polygon because this is not a polygon because it is not having closed shape. Okay, moving to the next page. Now here, is this a polygon? Yes, this is a polygon because it is made up of line segments and it is closed in nature. Is this a polygon? So children, please tell the answer. Yes, very good. You all have given the correct answer. Let's check whether you are correct or not. So you all are correct. No, because it is not made up of only line segments. So it is not a polygon. With this we come to an end. Thank you. Have a nice day.